Tornado warning. Guy, this is GR Level 3.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, southwestern Boone County and north central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County and north central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Hillcrest, or just northwest of Rochelle and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Kirkland around 7:15 p.m., Kingston around 7:20 p.m., Juneau around 7:25 p.m. This tornado will cross Interstate 39 between mile markers 101 and 115. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.